What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you're also a return subscriber, also welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video, we converted a website into an Android native app using an Android Studio. So once you have done that, all you just need to do, you need to start using the app, right? But in some cases, it's going to be coming with the default Android icon. If you want to change that Android icon to your own icon, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. But before I get started, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, I'm able to get notification for that. So now this is the app that we created recently, right? So now this is the Android default app that is still staying here now. So all we just need to do for us to be able to change this, so this is it here now. We just need to come to this side and you can just see the icon and all that. So you just need to come to this side and you right click, then come to new, then image assets. So if you look at this side now, you are going to see the image. So these are the images here now. All we just need to do, we need to change the path. Come to path, then we select the paths where we want where our image is. Alright, so I've located the path. You can see this is the image that I want to use. So I'm just going to click OK. Once I click OK, I'm going to see that the image is changed. So you just need to adjust this. So I'm just going to be adjusting this to the to fit it. So now if you look at this side, you're going to be seeing this gray background color. You just need to remove that. So by doing that, you need to come to background layer. Then we change this image to color. Then we select the color. Let me just pick from this time, just pick the white color. Then press OK. If you look at this icon now, it has now matched and very nice and okay. So now all you just need to do, you just need to click on next and click on finish. Alright, so now let's wait. This icon is going to change now. So let me just quickly refresh this. Alright, so if you look at this app now, you can see that the icon is already changed. So this is how you can easily do that. So let me just tap on the app. So let's open. You can see it displays my logo when launching the app. So this is how you can easily change your Android icon using Android Studio. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So see you guys in my next video.